In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an Epic Games account on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do this through the Epic Games website, so I recommend doing this on your computer or your phone through a web browser. Go in a web browser and go to www.store.epicgames.com. When you arrive at this website, you will be able to sign in at the top right corner of the screen, and from here, follow the prompts on the screen to sign in either using your Nintendo account, or you can just create a new Epic Games account. As you can see over here, if you don't already have an Epic Games account, you can also select sign up at the bottom and then select the corresponding option, Nintendo account or email. Regardless of which option you pick, once you go through this process, you will be able to log into your Epic Games account, and at the top right corner of the screen, select Account from the drop-down menu next to your name, as you can see over here. You will be redirected to your account settings page, and using the menu at the left side of the screen, select Apps and Accounts. Within Apps and Accounts, switch over to the Accounts option, and from here you will be able to connect your Nintendo account if you haven't done it already. Select Connect under the Nintendo account, and as you can see, you will be prompted to link your account at the next page. Just follow the instructions on screen and you will be able to link both accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to create an Epic Games account on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.